I got to go back for just a second. Excuse me. Today's focus question is, how can I use midpoints to find segment lengths? Everybody okay with that? All right, good. You guys know that the notes are on Edline?
Yeah.
I forgot to hit the record button when we started the notes, so I had to go back and start over and hit the record button. Has anybody watched the notes on Edline? Pretty awesome, aren't I?
Yeah.
If you ever get bored at night and you just want to hear my voice, just go on Edline, put your headphones in, listen to the notes again. Okay, look. If B is the midpoint of AC, then AB is equal to BC. All right? Midpoint means middle. So in geometry, this little mark right here, these are called tick marks. These red marks are called tick marks. What those tick marks mean, if segment AB has one tick mark on it and segment BC has one tick mark on it, it means those segments are equal in length. Okay? It means what this says. It means that AB is equal to BC. So if AB is 8, how far is it from B to C? Don't be scared. It's good. And how far is it from A to C? 16. That's midpoint. Okay? So look at example 5 on page 16. Using midpoints to find lengths, it says that B is the midpoint. Of AC. AB is equal to 5x. And BC equals 3x plus 4. Find AB, BC, and AC. So you got to find all 3 segment lengths given that description. So what are you going to do? Good. Draw a picture. And we're going to draw a picture, and we're going to make B the midpoint of AC. So our end points are A and C. And if B is the midpoint, it's in the middle. And if it's in the middle, then we know that it's equal distance to both ends. And if A to B is 5x, and B to C is 3x plus 4, what would be our algebra setup? What do you know about the 2 segments?
They're equal.
They're equal to each other, right? So how do you set this up? You're going to have to solve for x, aren't you?
3x plus 4 equals 5x.
Very good. 5x equals your 3x plus 4. So solve for Mr. X. And you're done, right?
No.
Not done, are you? Because the question was find AB. How far is it from A to B?
10.
5 times 2, which is 10. How far is it from B to C? 3 times 2 is 6 plus 4 is 10. All right, so AB is 10, BC equals 10. That makes A to C equal to 20. Okay? I think those are the tougher kinds of problems when everything is given in text and they don't give you a picture? If I just draw the picture. Questions? All right, the bell, like I said, the bell rings early today. It's going to ring at 36, so I'm going to give you some practice problems to do. And those practice problems are not there. Right there. Page 16, that says check it out. Page 16, check it out. It's kind of in the bottom third of the page. Problem number 5. And then on page 17, 9 and 10, and 17 and 18. Make sure you check headline for homework.